Yo, what's going on? And welcome back to Infinity University Hustle. Today we're going to be talking about financial resilience. And there are three different things that form a rock solid financial foundation. That's life insurance, credit scores, and creating multiple streams of income. These strategies protect you and your loved ones and also empower you to seize better financial opportunities. So let's dive right on in. When we think of life insurance, most people picture a safety net for their family, but it's so much more than that. It's a strategic tool that you can use to secure your future. So think about life insurance as something that can cover outstanding debts, replace lost income, and it can even contribute towards college savings or retirement. It's about creating financial security for tomorrow and ensuring that no matter what happens, you and your loved ones are taken care of. So take a moment and ask yourself this. Are you confident that your family is fully protected? When you're incorporating life insurance into your financial plan, you gotta think about your situation and your situation only. So choosing the right policy for you will depend on your needs and your family's needs and whatnot. So you can categorize them in between really just term life and permanent life, which is whole life. So term is going to be for a specific term, a specific duration of time, and then your whole life is going to be for your whole lifetime, and that's one of the ones that can accumulate cash value over time. So when you have this protection in place, you can focus on growing your wealth without really worrying about unexpected setbacks derailing your progress. All right, next up, we're going to talk about why your credit score matters. Your credit score is like a financial report card, and it's going to dictate the type of loans you can get, the type of interest rates they're going to offer you, and believe it or not, even job opportunities. So you could think of your credit score as a passport to better financial deals. A strong credit score is going to open up doors to lower interest rates, better loan on terms, and more favorable job prospects. So let's talk about some tips on how to keep your credit score strong. So, first and most importantly, you want to start paying your bills on time and make sure that you do pay them on time. You want to keep your credit use below 30%. You want to avoid opening too many new accounts. And then you want to regularly check your credit report for any errors or anything like that. And by following these steps, you not only boost your credit score, but you also unlock better financial opportunities down the road. All right, now we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, and that's diversification, especially when it comes to income. Relying on one single paycheck is just way too risky. Let me just ask you one question. What if it dries up? You got to go do what? Search for another single source of income, and it's just way too risky. And what do we learn about diversification? You're diversifying your risk. So you want to build multiple streams of income for for a more secure financial future. You got to remember, diversification means what? The reduction of risk. So let's talk about the different types of income. You have earning income, and that's pretty much a salary from your job. You have business income. This is something from a side hustle or any type of business that you do. And then you have investment income. This is money from stocks or crypto. And then you also have passive income. So this is from rental properties, royalties, affiliated marketing earnings, different things like that. Let's look into some strategies to build multiple streams of income. So whenever you're talking about building multiple streams of income, you can always start small if you want to. If you already have the money to go ahead and do big things, you can buy a business or you can start a business or anything like that. But it just depending on your financial level will depend on what you're actually going to do. So when you're starting small, you can start something that's like a hobby that you like, something that you just love to do, that you can actually monetize. You want to build a plan to monetize that hobby. And once you start, getting a few sales in, all right, you can start saying, okay, let me go and level up with this. Then you can start building to a business. Once you do that, now that you got it as a business, you can go ahead and start, hire employees. Now you're stepping away from actually doing the day-to-day stuff and actually have people doing that day-to-day stuff for you. Now you can actually focus on either expanding that business or open up another business. That's diversifying. Now you can move some of that money into stocks. You can move some of that money into crypto. If it's really booming, you can move it into real estate. Now you have other ways that you're actually bringing in money. So not only do you have your salary if you're still working a salary at this time or a job, you also have your money that you're working money that you get from your business. You also have money that you get from your stocks and your crypto if you're doing that right, because you want to do what? Get passive income from this stuff instead of mostly waiting for growth. So if you're setting all this stuff up right, you will start building up a very, very secure financial future for yourself. And this would just do more than just keep you afloat. So, what type of income streams are you working on right now? And think about this: where can you actually expand those opportunities, or where can you expand your skill set? So, let's bring it all together. Life insurance provides that safety net and secures your financial future. A strong credit score is your ticket to better financial opportunities, and multiple streams of income ensures that you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Together, all these elements create a resilient financial plan that not only protects you in tough times, but it also positions you for long-term growth and stability. Here's a quick recap of what we talked about. We talked about life insurance. It's a tool for financial security and legacy planning. We talked about create and not creating. We talked about credit scores, maintaining a strong one to open up doors to lower interest rates and better opportunities, and then multiple streams of income, diversifying your risk and increasing your financial stability. Each of these steps, it is a building block towards a more secure and prosperous future. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the essential building of financial resilience. If you found these insights valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to improve their financial future. I'd also love for you to join our Discord community for real-time discussions, Q&As, and more support while we build wealth together. Remember, a strong financial plan starts with protection and smart strategies. I'm Xenji, and here at Affinity University Hustle, we're committed to helping you achieve lasting financial freedom. See you on the next lesson. Peace.